everyone, how are you doing? I just stopped by another beautiful job over in Las Calinas. We've done the neighbor's pool, we've done this pool, and several more back in this beautiful neighborhood. Let me give you a quick little tour here. You can see that we got some beautiful water bowls. We've got shell-lock coping. You're probably wondering why we didn't match the coping. This coping stays a lot cooler to the touch. And when you set your beverage on the side, your ice isn't going to melt real quick. It's nice to rest your arms. It just adds some different color variations. It makes it fun and different. We actually took these pavers, mixed in new and old, and you get a Spanish tile roof up here. So these pavers really complement that Mediterranean Spanish style that we got here. We've got a nice water bubbler, LED color vision bubbler. Beautiful. This is a beautiful plaster job, I'm gonna tell you. Beautiful. The aqua blue, just love the colors. Beautiful waterline tile. Love the water bowls, just at night, just that nice sound, that soothing, calming sound, you know. So yeah, we've had a solar system put in to keep the pool warm. They got strip tiles, glass. Some people like strip tiles, some people like spot tiles, some people like no tiles. Kind of a personal preference thing. I think this glass really makes it pop. We got a full sitting bench across the back. Of course, our safety bench, you have to have that when you go over 5 feet of water. You have to have the safety bench. So another beautiful design. Love the enclosure. We actually took down a relative brand new enclosure and installed a brand new screen enclosure. So beautiful area. We had to move the hot tub, put the hot tub back in place. I'm gonna tell you, when you build a beautiful pool like this, you get certain things that you do. Look at this door right here. Beautiful sliding glass door. There was just a couple of windows here. That was it. It was all framed in, and we added this beautiful custom slider, Lowy 366 with argon gas. The best glass package that you can buy. We had to come in, cut the wall, the framing, come back in. You can't even tell that this stucco was done after the fact. All this stucco was all redone, and you can't even tell. But a beautiful slider to open up to this beautiful pool. So always know that we do a lot more than just swimming pools. From pools, outdoor kitchens, pergolas, room additions, sliders, tiki bars, artificial turf. We have a lot of things that we do. Think about it. A lot of these builders want you to call, well, we don't do the gas. We don't tie the electric in. We don't do the enclosure. We don't do the footer. Understand, we do the complete design and do all the work ourselves. We don't like to tell our customers, call this person here. Call this other person over here. Here, we'll refer this person. You don't always work out that well. I like for our customers to be able to call one number and reach the person that designed the job, and most of the time, I'm your manager. So, something to always think about. Trying to bundle everything with one company. There's only a couple of companies in Northeast Florida that keep it all under one house. That's the way that we like it. So, anyhow, you all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next job. Take care.